Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave beside me. 'Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always, KB. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. 'Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always.
I show 'em how to network. Fuck that net, pick the chill, what's your net work?
'Cause I want you, and I need you.
Good morning, everybody. Today is the day 2, or technically day 1. This is our first full day here in Denver. So everybody is up. We ate breakfast. I didn't vlog any of it because my camera was dead from last night. Yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful day here in Denver. I think everybody is up there taking pictures. I'm really loving this weather here in Denver. I'm loving the weather. Y'all, I'm not digging this look. I'm not digging this look. I know my hair is curly, but this is just too much. Let me give y'all like a view of the house because now you guys can see it, because yesterday you couldn't see it because it was so dark. Okay, so these are like the mountains. Like this is the mountain that I see when I wake up. And then over here. And then this is the house. And if y'all can see, there's my cousin. But y'all, look at these mountains. Like, it's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. And this weather, like, I love the weather. Loving, loving, loving the weather. Like, it's nice out. Like, there's like a breeze. Like a soft breeze. And I just love it. So today, I think we're going to a festival. Today is 420, so I guess it's like a big marijuana festival type of thing. So we're gonna go to that, and then we're gonna figure out like what other things that we can do like later on tonight. So I just wanted to like let y'all know what's popping. Y'all, so this is my fit for today. This is the fit. I got these jeans from Paxson. This shirt is from Urban Outfitters. It's Guess. And then I just have on my Air Forces. It's kind of hard to vlog with like other people that are not like, I don't know, engaging with me, because these are not my friends. What is the weather gonna be like today? It's currently 70 degrees. I'm not feeling my hair. I need like a rubber band to like keep it out of my face. Can't find it. Oh my God. Where is it? There's a second bed in here. We're not gonna tell them because I like having this room to myself. Oh, I found it. I just have to be patient. And I'm just gonna put it back. See, I like this better. Everybody here is pretty much friends. Like, everybody knows everybody. And I'm the only person that doesn't know everybody, which is a good thing and a bad thing and for me. So less things for me to come in.
Okay, you in here getting the drip together.
Oh my God.
Hello. Girl, finna go horseback riding. Stephanie.
Oh, that's Steph. Hey, Steph. Stephanie.
Tyler said Stephanie.
This shirt.
Wait, what's the shirt you got on?
This one?
Yeah, that's straight.
Okay.
Do you approve of my outfit or what? Is this appropriate for the occasion? Fest?
Yeah.
This is fest.
I like it.
This is drip.
You look bright.
I look bright.
You look clean.
I look clean.
You look fine.
Hey. And I do realize that you can see through my bodysuit. I mean, through my pants, but you can't see my skin. You just see how bright my shirt is.
Yeah. It's fine.
Under it. So it's fine. So it's not,
yeah.
It's not like thigh, right?
No, it's good.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Why doesn't this house have a full body mirror?
I don't know. That's what this house is missing.
Yeah.
A fucking full body mirror. They need to. Are these prescriptions? Oh yeah, these is super drip. But I got some sunglasses, but
I didn't even bring none.
I feel like these. What? Taylor, you don't need these? your face. Let these have me today. Okay, y'all like these on me? Are these little ones? These make me look too innocent, you know? It's like I'm not that innocent. I'm innocent, but it's like I'm not that innocent. So,
Boy, if you
I still kind of want to look cute and innocent, but I feel like I look like
with the tattoo.
cute, innocent with the tattoo. No, yes, maybe because of the gold accents, I feel like
Yeah, it
it's
goes.
like cool, you know.
If you don't wear them, I'm wearing them. Cause if you don't wear these,
Yeah,
I'm
cause
wearing
look at that. Cause look at what I take them off. I look like girl. Maybe. Are these the ones?
you got a pop of color, but your colors are mainly black and white.
Right. And I feel like, cause you don't want it cha-cha.
Right. Come on, let's see how this looks with this brick wall. This brick wall. Right here,
Yeah,
by the door.
Okay. Give me some flicks, please. Oh,
I want some pictures too, bro.
I'm already going because you do look fresh.
Look, take a test shot right now. That brick wall with that shirt.
Period. Put me in a game. Could you get me on the dough?
Everybody love when I take pictures.
Tell me what to do, Tyler.
You doing it?
Wait, no. Right, because I definitely want going on like the door. Tyler, oh my puppy, you got me out here looking like a motherfucker.
Y'all, I haven't got not one picture.
Come on.
I haven't got one picture.
Get your pictures.
Okay. Let me see.
I'm gonna take my shots.
So you try, you can take it?
I'm gonna take it. Yeah. Could you go get it?
I got
You're not gonna get it.
I'm gonna get a real shit. You get this all real fast. I appreciate it.
Y'all, those pictures she just took, trash. Trash. I should be petty and not send her those pictures that I took of her. Because those pictures she just took of me, I'm not feeling them. So we're trying to come up with an activity to do. The festival is a no-go. We're not doing the festival thing no more. So we're trying to figure out what's the next move. Y'all just be judging me when I be talking to this camera.
Let me see, bro. It's my birthday.
Hello?
I'm with my boy,
Yeah, bro, I
T-Money, Tyler.
sent you the address,
Yes.
bro. I texted it to you.
Tyler Nelson T.
Oh,
the director,
I just follow that address and you gonna see it, but we on the left hand
Producer.
side.
Exactly.
It's this shit say
The
actor, editor,
Exactly.
Rain, it say Rain,
Filmmaker.
Rain,
Yes.
me, Mark,
Writer, videographer.
Yes.
Field Mini Hats. Mini Hats.
Hey, come here. You look like a music lover. Excuse me, senor. It is not ole ole. No, see. It is only one ole. Like this.
It's like I got headphones.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's a lot of people out here.
Right here, though.
What? Oh no. You have on Vans.
My feet gonna be so wet.
Why do I have on these shoes?
Yeah, buddy, go.
Okay, so we made it to the ski place. I don't personally want to go snowboarding or skiing. I would rather go tubing, but we'll see. We will see what we get into, because I don't want to break my leg. So I changed my mind. I'm gonna go skiing instead, because they said that it's easier to ski than it is to snowboard. So these guys are gonna go snowboarding and I'm gonna go skiing. Okay, so this is like the little shop that they have. Ooh, y'all, I think I want some goggles, but I definitely need snow pants and maybe, I don't know if I need a jacket.
$15 to rent.
$15
a day. $15 a day.
So we only using it for 1 day.
Yeah. Are y'all getting just pants or jackets too?
I'm just getting paid.
Yeah, I'm
Just pants. Okay.
Drive on my ass.
Yeah.
Good, like from this walk, I feel like I'm sweating.
I know, I can't breathe. I'm having a hard time breathing.
Just $15 a day.
It's $15 for the pants.
$15 ain't shit, man.
I'm tired. Huh? Yeah. Y'all haven't been turning up for the vlog. I know. But y'all going snowboarding and what you doing? You snowboarding?
Yeah.
Okay.
My friend said that we need to, she like, for real, we need to start on that bunny hill. She like, don't go, y'all just need to start right there.
I gotta test some shit out.
So we gotta.
Okay, because we ain't gonna think that we just
I ain't finna be like, okay, I'm wrong.
break something.
But I ain't gonna lie,
For real.
some tricks on people.
I feel good. My hair is like whatever. Like the lady, she was like, your hair is so pretty.
And
I was like, thank you. Y'all, I've never been skiing. The fact that I'm even like doing something like this is like crazy to me. Like I still can't believe that I'm still in Denver with all of these cool people. Like I'm so happy that I'm here. Okay, so I ended up getting me a jacket and my jacket matches my skis. I'm going skiing, the rest of the guys are going snowboarding because they say it's easier to ski than it is to snowboard, and the crew is leaving me, so I'm gonna see y'all when we are on the dumps. Y'all, I'm up on this ramp and I almost fell backwards. Oh my God. But I have my skis, I have my sticks. I left the crew, I'm not waiting for them. Y'all, can I breathe? Hopefully I don't kill myself going down this ramp. Wish me luck, I'll see y'all when I get to the top. Okay y'all, so I made it to the top. This camera does not do this place justice. Oh, oops, sorry. Let me move out of your way. Let me get out of his way. He's a pro at this. He's a pro. He's got this. Look at him. And he's, oh, and he stopped. But yeah, this place does not, my camera doesn't do this place justice. Like, it's so freaking nice here. So nice. I want to get on one of those things, but those are like for not professionals, but people who've done it before. So I just got on this thing, people who are beginners. So
Doing good out there though, looking good.
yeah, I'm gonna go down. I'm scared though. I'm procrastinating because I'm kind of scared, but let's see if he falls. Oh, he did. I fell. Y'all, look at my hair. Oh my God. I have helmet hair. Look at Nick. He just fell. Fall.
Alright.
Yes, yeah. How you feel? I'm tired.
I'm tired. There's no oxygen up here.
That's what I keep telling my vlog. Like, I can't breathe.
There's no oxygen. We're gonna go higher though. See what's up.
Higher?
Yeah. We're at the highest peak.
For what? I guess this is gonna be it, guys, because my battery is blinking. I guess this is it. We are still skiing. Look at this view. I'm gonna pan around. Like, it's crazy here. I've never been anywhere like this ever in my life, and I probably would have never came. So I'm glad that I came. And this just makes me want to like start traveling more. Like I want to start traveling more, going to like different countries and different cities and stuff like that. Like I'm having so much fun. So I'm excited to see what we do tomorrow for Sunday. But yeah, skiing. So we are back home. I just came home and I changed into something a little bit more comfortable because right now everybody is upstairs and we are cooking. We're barbecuing. I'm making the spaghetti because I make really bomb spaghetti. So let's go upstairs so I can show y'all how well, the spaghetti is like halfway done, but y'all can watch me while I cook, you know? I want to incorporate this in the vlog. So come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.